Here's the new trophy for the final race of the day, Mod 2, the 20 lapper. May the best man survive.
I'm David Walls, the owner of Sweetwater Farm.
Who do you expect to be the winner of today?
Well, I think it's going to be Nick all the way in the Mid-Island Marine, just because he's a mechanic, so he should win.
Racing today, and I have high hopes he's going to place high.
Yeah? What's he riding?
It's a lawnmower.
What's your prediction for today?
I just don't know, because there's so many new machines here, all different styles, but it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Very good thing.
Bradley Damsgaard won the first year Mod 1 event.
Yeah.
Fourth last year, first this year.
That's right.
Disqualified last year.
Yeah, we don't talk about that too much.
Oh yeah.
You know, not a point of pride in my career.
So you held back until the third or fourth lap, and then you took your lead. And
you got to do some recon. You got to check out your opponents. You got to look for weaknesses. I took advantage of the slower mower out there as we were lapping him. I saw my opening, and you know what I did? I gunned it.
Dusty life. How was that last race?
Sure. Last race was a bit chaotic, a couple of crashes for sure. You know, I'm just a local racer here from Salt Spring Island, and we tried to defend our position here and keep the trophy local, but unfortunately Vancouver Island has it again.
It was fantastic.
How'd you pull that off?
Well, I hopped on Andrew's mower after never driving it, and I just put to the floor and hoped for the best. Only almost rolled once.
Are you from Salt Spring?
Victoria.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming to the Sweetwater 500. We'll see you next year.